What's up, crypto crew? Some of you might be a little skeptical as to whether or not Coinbase Earn is actually legitimate or not. So, this video is going to show you that it is in fact a legitimate way to earn some free cryptocurrency. Let's do it. All right, everybody. So I'm going to show you how easy it is and how simple it is to actually earn free cryptocurrency through the Coinbase platform. So you can see I've got an opportunity to earn some free crypto here. It's telling me that I've got that much that I can earn. So Zcash, first one up top, says I'm eligible to earn one Z coin. I'm not sure what you call them, but you're able to earn $1 worth of Zcash for simply watching this video. So I'm going to click on that. Page is going to load, and then I'm going to watch this video, and I'll get back to you shortly. All right, so I've finished watching the video, and now I'm going to select the answer that I think is the correct answer. So it's simply asking me, what is Zcash? I believe it is that. It is going to show me that yes, I got the answer correct, and then I'm going to click next. And I could continue on watching the next video. There's going to be a series of videos, I am sure, but I am going to show you right away how quickly this Zcash actually comes back into your account. Okay, you guys, it hasn't even been a minute yet, and I just got an email notification so that I've received some Zcash. So if I go to my portfolio, there you go. You'll see that I have earned $1.31 Canadian, or $1 US, and that is now in my Coinbase account. And that is how simple it is to start earning some free cryptocurrency through Coinbase Earn.